Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a trip way back in time to 2010, the year Apple released the very first iPad. And the question is, can the original iPad still do anything in 2025? When Steve Jobs introduced the iPad, it was revolutionary. A thin, futuristic device that promised to change how we use technology forever. But now, 15 years later, it's a completely different world. So I decided to dig mine out of the drawer, charge it up, and see what it's like to use the iPad first generation in 2025. First off, yes, it still turns on. That classic Apple logo appears after what feels like forever. And then, there it is, iOS 5.1.1. The interface looks ancient. No dark mode, no widgets, no fancy animations. Just that old-school skeuomorphic design. It actually feels kind of cool in a retro way. But here's the problem. Most apps don't work anymore. The App Store is basically dead for this device. You can't install YouTube, you can't log into modern websites, and Safari struggles to load almost anything from 2025. Even Google takes ages to load, if it loads at all. However, and this surprised me, it's still usable for a few things. You can open old photos, write notes, read downloaded books or PDFs, and even play some pre-installed offline games. And the battery? Shockingly decent. It lasts for hours doing light stuff. The screen, of course, looks dated, huge bezels, low resolution. But it still feels nice to hold. Apple really nailed the build quality even back then. The aluminum body feels premium, and it honestly doesn't look bad on a desk in 2025. So, can you use the first iPad as your daily tablet in 2025? Definitely not. It's more of a collectible piece of tech history, a reminder of how far we've come. From this to the iPad Pro M4 with Apple Pencil and OLED display. It's just insane progress. Still, using it today gives you a weird sense of nostalgia. It's like holding the beginning of a revolution, the tablet that started it all. So if you still have your old iPad lying around, don't throw it away. Charge it up, turn it on, and enjoy a little trip back to 2010. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this nostalgic look at the first iPad, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more retro tech videos. See you in the next one.